machines. This one is our BSX 600. Actually, we produced the acrylic machines since 2003. Here is what Max.forming height is 200 mm. So engineer can show you how it works. We can customer different vocabulary for your request. So this is our after-sales service manager Jack. He went to many countries for serving customers. Also, he's more professional for this and more helpful for every customer. So let him introduce for the machine working process.
Okay, this is a deep vacuum forming machine, 60 centimeter by 60. So I will show you how to vacuum a sample. First we need to open this spring and follow the material on the table. Fix the acrylic and close this cover. Then set the temperature which the acrylic requests. And start with it. About a few minutes, acrylic will be soft, and then we can get the sample.
During this period for the machine heating, maybe it needs about 2 minutes or 3 minutes. I show you we made the different samples here. Like this one, this is PVC, and this is ABS, and the others are PET. You see this one? Okay. Here, this one is PET. This is 1 mm thickness and forming height is 150. This one also is ABS. For different things, you know this one work is per model. The model normally made by CNC router. And this is also is ABS for car or for other products. This is the car for toys. The forming height is 190. This is for the wall decoration, you know, for different shapes like this one, different color. The material is acrylic. You see this one? The background is like this because you need to the air circulation is very smoothly. So maybe suction performance is very better for if not make this one. Anyway, if you do not know how to make the model, after sales engineer can tell you how to make. Let's prepare the design by CNC router. Okay?
So if you need a CNC router to make the model, MDF model, we also have. Later we will introduce the CNC router for you.
If you want to make more height, you can make MDF 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pieces, combine them together. Also, polish them, don't make the most smoothly here. Then it is easy for me. And this one, we also can make it by PLC control. You can set the degree in the PLC control program. Here, next we show you that is a button control. Also, it is more easy for operate. Now let's check the temperature, okay?
So sometimes we need to check inside of this oven the acrylic is soft or not. Yeah, because different acrylic maybe it needs the different temperatures. Yeah. Now it's heating.
Now it's 46. So your sample is 70?
Yeah.
Why
70
so
degrees.
It is how many thickness for the material?
This is a 3 mm. 3 mm acrylic.
So 3 mm normally is 70 degrees.
Yeah.
Maybe 2
No.
mm is
2 mm is about 50 to 60 will be okay. Yeah.
This in the cylinder, then it uses air compressor, right?
Yeah. Need air compressor.
So have other you to cut customers who came up attention to just the heating temperature?
Like set the temperature in this controller. How to set it in this small panel, including some operational skills like the vacuum time and blow to take off the mold and the samples. Yeah.
This one.
Yeah. This is a 0.4 mm.
The model, who made the model? Us, they made the model?
Yeah, we made
They made the model for this one. I show you.
That's like this kind of model.
Oh, so maybe you are very feeling for this. Here, then like this.
This model you can because it's very thin.
Yes, maybe several millimeter.
Use laser machine cutting it.
The material is MDF. Okay, so now it's okay.
Okay, finished the heating. So I will show you. Just open this cover and the table up.
Very nice.
Oh, very
Then you
nice.
will get this small part.
Maybe you need about 2 minutes to cool.
And also the vacuum pump is very strong. The pressure is nearly minus 0.08. Yeah, it's the limit of this pump. So you can see we just use our hand to check it is nearly hard around the side. This is a very good practical machine, deep battery forming machine. Yeah.